Right, we're at the Barossa Chocolate Factory looking at little chocolate koala bears in dark chocolate and milk chocolate. They let you look in the window here and you can see the machines that mix it and a lovely lady there mixing, a little bit of reflection, and this is where they dry them. So there's shoes going around and there's also chocolate bears. So you can watch, and that's the production line there, and of course after the production line you can buy. No, sorry, there's no samples. It's lovely rocky road here, $10 for 300 gram, peanut brittle, chocolate coated nuts, fruit and nut, all sorts of things. $8.95 for a peanut brittle with milk chocolate thing, white chocolate, mixed chocolate, awards that they've won in the chocolate makers things, and chocolate mint light boiled sweets, all sorts of things here. There's a cafe attached to it. You have coffee, your tea, you can have ice cream, gelato, or you can pick little chocolates here to suit yourself. Let's have a look at little chocolates across here to suit yourself. You can buy them. All different colours and all different types. Look at that. These lucky people are buying some. They're getting Davidson plums. How well is that? So they're the type of things that you can get here at Chocolate Factory. They're all lovely, even the staff are lovely here. They're all smiles and happy. So lots and lots of things to do here. There's coach parking and there's nice indoor seating, or there's semi-outdoor seating out here. Water feature, and yes, it is raining. That wasn't what we meant. And it's just outside Tanundra. You can see the grapevines there, everything. So that is the Barossa Chocolate Factory. And here is the coach waiting. So we will say goodbye, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tell us about yummy chocolates in your life.